guys, so today I'm just going to be sharing some of my favorite autumn and winter meals. And I mean, let's face it, we all love comfort food. So hopefully these will inspire you all to get in your kitchens and make some food that'll keep you warm and toasty this season. Okay guys, so I had to start off the video with the best, which was this year's Thanksgiving food. I made chuck roast, macaroni and cheese, stuffing, greens, baked spaghetti, sweet potato pie, and cornbread and chicken. My mother made some of those things, but yeah, we won't get into like the details. But yeah, I made like most of that stuff that you see on the plate. So I will be remaking this next year too, because it was definitely 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so the next thing that I'm making is shrimp, salmon, broccoli, and rice. And the day that I made this, I was really just craving Chinese food so bad, and I wanted to order like shrimp and broccoli with white rice, but they were closed this day because for some reason lately my local Chinese stores have been closing on Mondays. So I was just like, it's no way that I'm gonna get through today without this Chinese food. So I had to get in the kitchen and just improvise, and it actually turned out really good. I would give this meal like 8.5 out of 10. So if you guys love Chinese food as much as I do, I would definitely recommend trying to make your own. And you can look up recipes and really make this more authentic, but yeah, you probably will be surprised at how good it comes out. So make sure you guys try that. So we're approaching late December right now, and this is literally the best cozy meal you can think of. Like, first of all, chili is just so quick and easy to prepare. It probably can be done within like half an hour. And then the flavor is just amazing. You can flavor this however you want. I actually made this 2 times back to back because it was so good, and I shared it with my mother and son, and they loved it as well. So I would definitely recommend this and give it a 10 out of 10. Okay guys, so this meal is also top tier. I swear this is really good. I know that y'all might just feel like I'm biased because it's my food, but I know good flavor when I taste it, and I'll be the first to admit when something isn't the best, but this was really good. I made this in the slow cooker. It did take 5 hours, but it was well worth it. This included ham, potato, sweet potato, carrots, and celery, and the rest of the flavor was just in the seasoning. But I would definitely make this again. It's perfect for like those cold fall and winter days once again, and it was just amazing. So definitely would give this a 10 out of 10 too. Okay guys, so last but not least is my favorite dessert, which is peach cobbler. And I don't know why right here it looks like there's not any peaches in it, but I promise they're under there. I actually made this 2 times in a row also, and I made one for my mother and one for myself, but I'm gonna let my son tell y'all how good it was. Here.
This was so good.
It was so good. And what did it have in it?
Peaches.
Peaches. And how did it taste?
Good.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. This was just a quick little cozy food video, but yeah, if you guys like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye.